Hey guys, this is teacher Tanya speaking, and today, as always, we are going to find out a lot of interesting things. And to start, we are going to take a deep breath, a deep exhale, super focus in, and exhale. I let my breathing come to normal, and just in that state of focus, I want you to look around. Not moving, just my eyes. I look around. The world around us has a lot of shapes. Now we can move and take on account those shapes that I just told you about. Okay? Why, Miss Tanya? Because today we are going to discover the matter. Everything that is around us, even as this air that we were breathing, our noses, our computer has matter. And we are going to talk about the shapes or disguises, the costumes, like the ones that we used in Halloween, that the matter use. And we call them states of matter. Okay? States of matter. So we are going to start talking about the first one, and this one comes with $1 million question. And the question is, which is the tool that we use for breathing? That's right, the nose. Everybody, touch your beautiful noses. Can you touch it? Yes, it has a shape. And your fingers, you can also touch it. And show me something else that you can touch. Look, I have a tahini here. I can touch it, right? It has a shape. And we call that solid. Everybody repeat after me. Solid. That's right. That's the first state of matter, okay? This is the shape that doesn't change, okay? And it means that it has a definite shape. Look at my pen over here. Look at your noses. A definite shape, okay? And a fixed volume. And a fixed volume over here. So we have that the solid state has definite shape and fixed volume. Everybody, show me something solid that you have. Everything, something that I can show. Okay, it cannot change. Of course, it changes if you break it, but they are the most stable. Okay, and the second one, for example, I have another solid over here, but I am thirsty, so I am going to drink a little bit. Mm, a sip of water. What is that? That is inside the glass. That's right, we call it liquid. I also have water over here. The same amount of water here and this one. This one for drinking when I'm thirsty, and this one to spray my plants or my cat when they are being too crazy, right? And the thing is, exactly. They take the shape of the container, okay? So they do not have like a known shape, right? But the volume remains the same, okay? It takes the shape of the container, okay? It is very flexible. You can think about any liquid, okay? Think about your favorite juice, the milk, anything. It is a liquid that takes the shape of the container that you put on, okay? So we have solid and liquid. Liquid, the shape that adapts, okay? And the last one is when I take a deep inhale, exactly, and exhale all the time. What is it? I cannot see it. I cannot take it, but it's filling my lungs, right? Deep inhale, gross, and exhale. What happens? It's empty now, but in a constant move. And what's that? Air. Okay, and that is state of matter, we call it gas. Okay, I cannot see it, but it's the one that you use to blow a balloon and to, of course, fill your body with air. Okay, so this is the shape that escapes. Okay, and it doesn't have a definite shape and doesn't have a fixed volume. That's why if I am going to use some perfume, if I use it just right now in here, maybe in the next room, in a couple of minutes, they are going to feel the smell. It is going to spread because this is a shape that is super free, like your little souls. Okay, so in summary, we have the solid, that is a fixed shape, solid, fixed shape. What's inside of this? The liquid, the adaptable shape, and the gas, the air, the free shape. Okay? So you did a great job. Please think about three states of mind, three disguise that you can come with examples next class. Thank you, Maxi. Obrigada. Keep on breathing, guys.